Hello guys, welcome back with the another video of the Indian Constitution. गाइज आज हम फिर से इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में बात करेंगे। आज की वीडियो में कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट डेट्स के रिगार्डिंग बात करेंगे और इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का कौन सा पार्ट कौन सी कंट्री से लिया गया था इसके बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। गाइज, एज यू नो, the father of Indian Constitution is Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Now guys, there are some important dates regarding the national things like national flag, national emblem, national word, national anthem. So now first one is national flag. National flag was adopted on 22nd July 1947. Next is national emblem. National emblem was adopted on 26th January 1950. National emblem is also known as Ashok Stambh or Ashok Pillar, which was taken from Ashoka Pillar, Sarnath, Varanasi. Now next one is national word. Guys, Satyamev Jayate is the national word of India and it was adopted on 26th January 1950. Now, national anthem that was adopted on 24th January 1950. Now, next one is national song, which is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram was adopted on 24th January 1950 and it was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and sung by Anand Nath. Now next one is national calendar, which was adopted on 22nd March 1957. Now, as you all know, tiger is the national animal of India, which was introduced on April 1973. Now, national bird is peacock, which was adopted on 1st February 1963. Now guys, Indian Constitution has been taken from enormous of countries. लाइक इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो बना है डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से लेकर एक पार्ट किसी कंट्री से उठाया है, दूसरा पार्ट किसी और कंट्री से उठाया है, इस तरीके से इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बनाया गया है। गाइज, जो मेकर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर, जिन्होंने ये पूरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया था और डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर को टोटल 60 कंट्रीज के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की नॉलेज थी। And that is very interesting thing about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Now, from United Kingdom, India took the concept of single citizenship, rule of law, legislative speaker, legislative procedure and their role, parliamentary government. Now, from USA, India took electoral college, judicial review, equal protection under law and fundamental rights. From Ireland, we took directive principle of state policy, election of president and nominated member in Rajya Sabha. Now from Australia, we took concurrent list, joint sitting of both houses, provisions of trade and commerce. From France, we took liberty, equality and fraternity. From Canada, we took appointment of governor, advisory power of Supreme Court and quasi-federal government for our Indian Constitution. Now guys, USSR की फुल फॉर्म है यूनियन ऑफ सोवियत सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिक। USSR से गाइज हमने फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज अडोप्ट की है जो कि आर्टिकल 51A में है। नाउ फ्रॉम जर्मनी, इंडिया टुक इमरजेंसी प्रोविजंस which is given under article 356 in our constitution. From South Africa, India took amendment for the constitution. Now, as you know, the preamble is the soul of Indian constitution, which was said by the Thakurdas Bhargav. Guys, preamble को याद करना बहुत important है. It is very important thing in the constitution to remember. preamble को किस तरीके से याद करना है ये गाइज मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। इसके जो बोल्ड लेटर्स हैं उन पे आप फोकस रखेंगे। जो बोल्ड लेटर्स हैं ये कीवर्ड्स हैं, इस तरीके से आप इसको बहुत इजीली और अच्छे से याद कर पाओगे। नाउ Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this is 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. ये guys, as it is word by word आपको preamble याद होना चाहिए. ओके गाइज, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के इंडेक्स के बारे में, उसको किस तरीके से याद किया जाना चाहिए. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच.